Hello and welcome back to the new lecture. Today we are going to discuss about tuples or something like tuples. So first of all I want to introduce you to sort function that I am forgetted. So first of all I am going to make a list. So my list and then assign it A and then C comma and then B F and E. I want this list in alphabetical order. So here I am going to use dot sort function. So my list dot sort and then I am going to print out this list. And then run the program and we will get the list is sorted. So this is the concept that I was forgetted in the last video. So moving further, we are going to discuss tuples. So first of all I am going to create a new Python file. So right click on Python tutorial and go to Python file and here I am named it to tuples in Python. So basically tuples is very similar to the list, and a basic difference in between list and tuples, that is tuple is immutable. That means the value stored in tuples is cannot change. So first of all I am going to create a list, named it lst, and here I am going to assign it 1, 2 and 3. And here I am going to make a tuple, so named it my tup, and as you know list is represented by the square bracket, so tuple is represented by the parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis we can store any type of data type like string, integer, float and so on. So first of all I am going to assign string and then a number, that is integer, and float. And if you want to check out the type of that tuple, so we have to write print and then type parenthesis and my tup, and then run the program and we will get class tuple. And if you want to check out the length, then you have to write print and then len and my tup, and then run the program and we will get 3, that is the length of the tuple. We can also use slicing in tuple just like as list. So we have to write print and then my tup and then square bracket, and I want to grab string A, so we have to write 0 because A is at 0th index. So let's run the program and we will get A. And if you want to grab the last element of the tuple, so simply we have to write -1 and then run the program and we will get 3.0. So moving further, we are going to discuss about the most important topic, that is mutable and immutable. So as you know, list is mutable and tuple is immutable. For clear more concept, let's take an example. Here I am going to write lst and then I want to change the value at 0th index, that is 1, from a string, that is new, and I am going to print out the list and then run the program, and here we see the value at 0th index in the list it changed from new. For checking the immutability, we are going to do something like this with the tuples. So here I am going to write my tup and then at 0th index I want to insert a integer, that is 1, and then print out the tuple and then run the program and we will get an error, that is saying tuple object does not support item assignment. That means you cannot change any value that is assigned in the tuple. So moving further, we are going to discuss some inbuilt function that is Python provided with tuple. I am going to introduce you to .count function that is inbuilt function in Python. So I am going to write print and mytup.count, and here I am going to provide a value that is a, and then run the program, and we will get 1. So basically .count function count the value, that how many times the value is repeated in the tuple. And moving further, I am going to introduce you to .index function. So .index, and here I am going to provide 20, and then run the program, and here we will get 1. So basically .index function return the index of the value that you provided inside the index parenthesis, and if you provide another 20 and then run the program, and you will get again 1, because .index function returns the index of first value that is repeated in the tuple. So these are the two functions that is very helpful. So that's it for tuples. We will be meet in the next lecture. If video is helpful for you, do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.